All right, we're here at the 2024 Florida RV Super Show, and we're doing another video tour, and this one is going to be for an Alliance Valor 44V14. This is for one of our subscribers, Mandy. So Mandy, this one's for you. Alright, so you got some storage here.
All this rain. Oh.
My helper's, she left me again. Alright, so you got a little bit of basement storage here. Not the biggest basement storage in the world, that's for sure. You got some awning switches right here, slide out switches. So that's pretty cool. But that's typical on your toy haulers. They kind of lose storage because you gain it in the garage. So you got one big slide out over here. You've got two different awnings. This is a triple axle toy hauler. One thing I do like about the Alliance is they started putting these air compressors on board, so that's pretty nice. Of course, you got your patio for your toy hauler ramp door, and then they decided to go with the mesh instead of the Brinkleys where they just got the rails. So.
And these ones slide in a little different.
Yeah, they got a little bit different of a locking mechanism than our Momentum does, so it's kind of
like that. The ladder.
All right, you got a ladder on the side here. This is kind of unique. Usually the ladder is right here, but it's further in on this one, so that's kind of neat. These windows look really nice too. They look like they seal up really good. They're a little bit different. You got your fuel station. So it looks like you got two tanks, and they're probably 30 gallons each, if I had to guess. Got the Lippert 6-point leveling system.
Nice slide.
Got a slide on this side, so it looks like 3 total slides.
Oh.
Ooh, what is this? More storage.
More storage.
That's nice. I like how these lights come on automatically too. That's pretty cool.
There's something right here.
What is it? Oh, you know what that is? I wonder if that's
It's a trash chute.
It's a trash chute. That is cool.
Awesome. I was like...
All right, and this is the other side of the basement storage, it looks like. So, wow, look at the Nautilus system, whatever they call it. I don't know what they call it on the Alliance, but there's all that for you. And it looks like, okay, so this is what's going on. There we go. The storage is a little bit bigger than originally suspected. Let me get some light in here. There you go. All right, so there you go. That's what actually the basement storage looks like. It's a little bit bigger than what we thought.
So yeah, these slide open, so if you have to access any of your stuff.
That's pretty cool. Instead of having them screwed in, it's just got a little, like a bungee cord.
Yeah,
so that's cool. So it looks like Alliance went away from the Schwintek slide out rails that are usually right here, and it's got some kind of cable railing system instead. So that's kind of interesting. Got propane over here, 30-gallon tank.
And I don't know what...
Alright, oh, there's your leveling system. And then the front, underneath the cap, you got all this storage right here. You got your generator, and it looks like it's a inverter. I'm not sure how these work, to be honest with you. Most companies were putting Onan generators in, and now a lot of them have switched to these type of generators.
I'm guessing because there might be a little bit more, it says maybe eco-friendly.
Yeah, maybe. There's a spot for your batteries, so.
I like the storage.
Yeah, I do too.
You know what MS is?
Yeah.
Okay, so.
All right, check out the inside.
Yeah.
Yeah, I'm trying.
Go this way first. Storage underneath.
Going up first.
Yeah, I'm gonna go up first. So storage underneath the stairs.
All right, you got your shoe storage there. Another barn door.
Yeah. Nice in here.
So this is a Jack and Jill bathroom here, because this door opens as well.
Look at that.
Ooh.
Little tiny sink, but
that's some pretty deep storage though right there. Look at that.
Don't really need a huge sink in the bathroom.
Yeah.
Got some counter space, soft close toilet. It's got that fancy drain.
Yeah, it's like a cover that goes over the drain, it looks like.
Yeah, I like
Nice
the little
big
bench.
shower, nice big Scott
That's one thing I like.
The bench.
Like having a
Oh,
bench
yeah, right
to
there.
like,
Yeah.
you know, put my
And then
lights
it's a
on.
Jack and Jill.
Oh yeah.
All right, look at this bedroom. This looks nice.
This does look nice.
You got a big closet back here.
washer and dryer.
Look at all the room you got up here. Holy cow. This is a giant. Look at the space. Look at this. I can't even get my arm all the way across.
Well, you know what's nice?
And that is too. Look at that.
What's nice is it's got the lip. Like
Yeah.
ours doesn't have a lip, so
Right.
on travel day, a lot of stuff can fly off.
There's your washer and dryer hookups back there.
Well,
It's
and
even
like-
got a little plug in there and there.
So we have like a small one. It would fit perfect, and
Yeah.
we still have space down there.
And this will open up, and I'm guessing this is all closet space. It sure is.
Nice.
So there's your closet. So it's like a his and hers closet space on either side. And you also have a little bit of storage up here, so that's cool. So, big
So-
old bed.
I don't know if you can tell, but it looks like the power and USBs are on the side right here.
Oh, okay. And they each got a little shelf on
They
both
each got a
sides of the
little
bed.
shelf.
So that's always good. CPAP, cell phones, whatever, tablets.
Little dresser.
Got a 3-drawer dresser
Yeah.
with some storage up top, so that's cool. And then
Yeah, it's pretty nice.
probably storage under the bed, right?
And that there's storage underneath the bed.
Oh yeah, a lot
Oh, that's
big
a
storage. Yeah, you can get quite a bit of stuff in there. Well, right here you got a dimmer switch, so you can actually dim your lights. I don't know why the lights are looking all funky on the old screen, but when they're really bright, they don't flash. But when you dim them down, they start flashing. So, all right, let's check out the rest of this.
This
rig.
is awesome.
Is that a bottle opener?
Oh, wasn't it the other day we were looking for one?
Yeah, that's cool. So you got a little, tiny little kitchen here. But again, it's a toy hauler, so you lose some of your space because you got the garage. But this is still functional. It looks very functional. I mean, look at the cabinets. They're huge.
The stove. Look at all the cabinets.
Got a 4-burner stove, oven.
This is the trash. That is nice.
So so that actually goes down into that one compartment from outside. That's pretty cool.
It's pretty cool.
But
There's
man,
actually
those cabinets
quite
are
a bit
really
of
nice.
room.
Yeah.
Because you have probably the food pantry.
And then there's the food pantry. Oh yeah, nice and deep. Looks like 1, 2, 3, 4 shelves. And then you got more storage up here.
Nice. Hey, I like that.
This
I like this one myself.
It's like an RV fridge here.
Yeah.
Cool. This is your standard fridge, freezer on the bottom. And then this is kind of neat. It's got like a little shelf between the living room and the kitchen.
No floor vents. That's
Nope.
nice that they're all built in.
Yeah. Otherwise, you can't put rugs down and you're
And
stuck your
no
toes on them.
carpet either.
No carpet. So you got a little bit of a dining area here. A couple chairs. Big, massive window though. That's nice. Lots of natural light for the inside of this RV. It's really cool.
Well then,
Then you got your L-shaped couch.
this is actually nice too.
Yeah. Living
You have a little
room.
more storage right there.
Looks like a little coffee bar maybe kind of sort of thing.
Liquor. I
I
mean,
don't see a plug though. Oh, there it is. The plug's hiding behind there. So yeah, that'd be good for like a coffee bar. Got more storage there.
Ooh, then. This is nice. You got a little lip here with some speakers.
Yeah, that's
The
TV.
TV. Well, look at this
Look at the size of these cabinets. They're just massive.
Huge.
That is really cool. And I like this dark glass they put on it too. It looks pretty sharp.
Yeah.
And then you got all those cabinets up there too. So for a toy hauler, this thing has got a ton of storage in it.
This is nice too. Like this thing, the couch.
What's that?
Like this is some nice entertainment area.
Yeah, for sure.
I like that.
And of course you got your
Couch, make out into a
insulated garage floor. And then there's the toy hauler part. There's the garage. Looks like it comes with a half bath, so that's cool.
Oh, there's washer dryer back here too.
Oh, so you got a couple different options for washer and dryer. That's pretty fancy.
Yeah.
Got all your switches and stuff there.
Little tiny half bath.
It's got the Happy Jack system, so that's cool. And of course these just turn into benches when you're not using the bed.
You know what's kind of nice is the loft is back here in the garage. So like we use our for storage, so like you don't miss service.
Yeah, so this actually has a nice big storage
Yeah.
up here, and then you can access the loft from the garage side, which is nice. And you know, if you got little kids or you want to use it for storage or whatever, and then you got a nice TV in here. So it's a nice big old patio deck. It's got the 3-season doors. So very good. Nice RV. All right, we hope you enjoyed this video tour of the Alliance Valor 44V14, and stick around for some more RV tours coming up from the 2024 Florida RV Super Show.